It's Darcy with DLH Performance here for the free giveaway for the SAF Super Clutch. What I have here is a wheel of names. Everybody that entered is their names on the wheel, and instead of just spinning this wheel once, we're going to play a little game. And this is what I came up with. I got a shaker here with one dice in it. And what we're going to do is the first roll of the dice will equal the value of name shuffles. So we're going to shuffle the names around on whatever this value of this dice is. Okay, we got 6. 6 came up, so we're going to shuffle these names around 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now that we shuffled the names up really good on the old wheel of names, we're going to roll the dice a second time, and the value of spins on the wheel, the last spin will be the winner. Okay? Got that straight? The last spin will be the winner. Okay. Let's roll the dice. Okay, we got a number 4. Okay, let's spin this wheel 4 times. And the last spin will be the winner. Ready to go? Here we go. That's 1 spin. The old wheel of names. Okay, we still got 3 more spins to go before we see the winner. Spin it again for number 2 spin. Sorry, Arian. Got 2 more spins to go. This is the 3rd spin. The wheel of names. Well, Jeff, that was really close. But I got 1 more spin, and this is going to be the winner. For the 4th and final spin for the SAF Super Clutch, here we go. Who's it going to be? There you have it. Quan, you're the winner of this one-off SAF Super Clutch. I'm going to post a link above here for you to contact me, and I'll try to contact you. Congratulations, Quan. You're the winner. Thanks everybody for subscribing and entering this free draw. Lots of new exciting things this year coming up, and I'm really excited about them. Thanks again, everyone.